Why did Hashem give us such a large Torah and so many commandments, shekosher l'kaimon, which many of them are difficult to fulfill? Hashem wanted lezakois es Yisrael. The word lezakois means to give us zechuyot, to give us merits, but the word lezakois also means to purify. Hashem wanted to purify us to a level where we will be completely pure and holy. Lefikoch hirba lechem Torah mitzvos. Therefore, He made the Torah so large and so many mitzvahs. We need a variety of possible mitzvahs because there are some people that can't learn Gemara. We have an example of Rabbi Nachman Tulchiner, the student who was closest to Rabbi Nasan Zal. And it's written that because Rabbi Nachman Tulchiner Zal came to Rabbi Nasan Zal in his older years, and he didn't have the opportunity and he didn't have the mind to study Gemara deeply, Iyun, Rabbi Nasan Zal suggested to him to study Ein Yaakov, the stories of the Gemara, and Halacha. Here again, this is why the Torah must have these two components. It has to have Halacha, which sharpens a person's mind. It has to have the stories, which give a person the Yirah Shamayim, the Emunah, the different components. Pshat, Remez, Drush, Soid. Every single item in the Torah accomplishes different, diverse tikkunim.